We're seeing these losses deepen in after-hours trading, and I'm wondering, what is it that investors are really picking up on here?
Yeah, fiscal Q2 was okay, but 3Q guidance was a little shy of consensus. The question is, as we go into the call, we'll get a better sense of was this guidance lower than consensus, and is it them being conservative because the new architecture is going to be launched, and ahead of a new architecture being launched, usually the old architecture chip sales weaken, right? So it's standard air pocket before the iPhone 10 comes out, the iPhone 9 sales are lower. So is it that kind of a situation, option A? Or option B, is there more afoot with respect to crypto gaming, sort of the interplay that we've talked about going into the quarter?
And in terms of the new chip architecture, talking about the Turing graphics processor, right? What is this used for? I mean, we talk about how Nvidia is represented across different parts of technology, whether it's gaming, whether it's AI, whether it's cloud, whether it's crypto. Is it used for all those different segments?
Absolutely. So if you look at the architecture changes, some of the key technology in the GPUs that they produce that are then repurposed for all of these different applications, these are fundamental changes. Processing of data and images faster, dithering and resolution at a higher rate, potentially being able to show light in a clearer way, the way it's meant to be showed, so that images can be shown more accurately as in real life. And if you do that really well, and you're able to process those images faster, it makes those chips more attractive to game players, people who develop content for movies, etc. And also, there's some of the same technology some of the core tenets of that technology can be used in their data center chips as well. Again, from a processing speed perspective.
I remember you mentioned crypto, like there were all those stories 6 months ago about how people couldn't find Nvidia chips because Ethereum miners were buying them all. That story must be kind of over a bit with the price.
Right. So the question is, we don't know how much of that was baked into the gaming chip revenue. They have separated out into a new product and created a new crypto SKU, a new product, so that crypto miners can use this product versus the gaming product. On the other hand, when a crypto miner wants to get a GPU, he doesn't care what GPU he gets.
Yeah.
Right.
So, you know, there's a little bit of that potentially is going on.
Anand, what's the one question you want answered on the call?
I really want to get a sense of the Turing-based jump that we're going to see in revenues in a GPU perspective, and I want to really have a baseline understanding of what crypto is. I want to see the worst case impact of crypto. I want to take it out of my model, and I want to model gaming revenue organically.